Ever wanted to make your designs pop without spending hours figuring out complicated tools? Today, we're diving into Canva and showing you exactly how to add elements to your designs like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. Once you're inside Canva, look to the side panel and click on the Elements tab. This is your treasure trove of graphics, shapes, illustrations, photos, videos, and so much more. If you know what you're looking for, simply type it into the search bar. Want a cute icon or a stylish frame? Just type it in and Canva will show you hundreds of options. When you find the perfect element, adding it is easy. Click on it and it appears right on your canvas. Or if you prefer, drag and drop it exactly where you want it. From there, you can resize, rotate, or adjust it to fit your design perfectly. But that's not all. You're not limited to Canva's library. Head over to the Uploads tab to bring in your own images, photos, or graphics. Once uploaded, you can treat them just like any other element, making your design truly unique. And remember, layering elements can add depth and style, so don't be afraid to experiment with stacking, transparency, and positioning. The more you play around, the more your designs will come alive. With just a few clicks, your Canva designs can go from simple to stunning. So dive in, explore the elements, and let your creativity shine.